Hi everyone! Alright, so we are on problem 4 now. I'm going to read the directions and then we will spend some time chatting about it. Alright, in the following figure, QRST is a rectangle. We can see that right there. Without using a protractor, determine the measure of RQS. Let me find RQS. I'm going to get my marker here and outline it so I can find it. So I always start with the first letter, R, and then I move up to Q, and then I go down to S. So we're talking about this angle right here. So determine the measure of angle RQS. Write an equation that can be used to solve the problem. So it sounds like there's two things they want us to do. They want us to find the measure of angle RQS, and they want to write an equation that could be used to solve the problem. All right, so what I'm going to look at first is I see that they gave me this part right here. They gave me this angle. It's 31 degrees. So I know one part of this, and I also know something else. I always tell you guys that we have to start with what they give us and what we know before we even try to look for these angles here. So what do we know about this angle right here? This one right here. Here, I'll get my marker so you can really see it. What do I know about that right there? It has a 90-degree angle, right? So if I know that that is a 90-degree angle, what do I know about what's inside of that? I know they said this is 31. So that side's 31. Whatever I add here, it's going to give me 90 degrees. So let's give this angle a name. Let's call it angle W. So 90 degrees equals the 31 degrees plus the W. And I always have to do the opposite of addition. If I'm missing something, I'm going to do the opposite of addition to solve it. So I'm going to do 90, and then I'm going to subtract 31. If you didn't get that far, why don't you just pause for a second, pause the video here, and solve this, and then see if you, and then come back and see if you get the same answer as me. All right, so 90 take away 31. Alright, that gives me 59 degrees. So I'm going to write W equals 59 degrees. And 59 plus 31 equals 90. Alright, let's see if I got all the parts though. Determine the measure of angle RQS. Got that right here. And write an equation that could be used to solve the problem. Well, I have that right here. Maybe yours is opposite. Maybe you have 31 degrees plus W equals 90 degrees, something along those lines. If you have an equation of some sort, you're probably all set for that one. If you're not sure of the equation that you wrote, if it's different than mine and you're not sure if it's right, just come see me and I'll help you out with that one. All right, great job. Keep moving.